1388 Mount Moriah sits at the base of a pine-covered mountain in the foothills of Livermore, Colorado. This 57-acre property offers a custom 2-story home overlooking rolling pastures and a serene creek-fed pond, while a 4-stall horse barn, utility building, and fenced pastures capturing sweeping views of the valley and surrounding hills. Open grasslands provide excellent grazing and paint an idyllic rural scene. Mount Moriah and Livermore, Colorado, located approximately 30 miles from Fort Collins, offers both seclusion and accessibility. With convenient access to Highway 287, nearby public lands such as Red Feather Lakes and Cherokee State Wildlife Area provide additional opportunities for outdoor recreation. At the heart of the property, the 4-bedroom home showcases a modern mountain design, along with the main-level primary suite with dual bath fixtures and double walk-in closets. The open kitchen and dining area, flowing into the great room, adjoins a covered grilling patio. Large picture windows capture the scenery and bring natural light into the home. Vaulted ceilings and expansive windows open to a deck overlooking pastures where horses and wildlife gather. The lower level offers 3 bedrooms, a living area, and a walkout patio supported by stone pillars to a fenced landscape lawn. The property features a clearing barn with 4 spacious horse stalls, tack room, and automatic heated water, along with covered runs. Adjacent to the barn is a fenced corral, ideal for turnout and feeding. A clearing shop with living quarters and drive-through garage bays offers exceptional versatility and comfortable living. This rare property, tucked in a sheltered mountain valley, positioned on gently sloping ground, spreads across 3 separately deeded parcels and is perfectly equipped for a hobby ranch or private family retreat. This is a rare offering in northern Colorado, combining functional improvements and long-term potential. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact James Mansfield or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.